Okay, friends, we're going to learn another sound. There are so many sounds for us to learn. Ready? This is our gargling sound, okay? So this is kind of like our coughing sound. Our tongue is in the back up, so it's a back sound. Our tongue tip is down like this. But now our voice is turned on. So if we need to practice, we can say it with a loud sound. Ready? G, g, g. So if we say it quiet, it almost turns into a K sound. So let's have it on nice and loud. Ready? Remember, our tongue tip is down. The back of our tongue is up. Big mouth. G, g, g. Just like that. Okay, let's practice 3 words. Ready? Our first one is gap. Say it 2 more times. Gap. Gap. There is a gap at the train station. Ready? Our next one is wagon. 2 more times. Wagon. Wagon. I pull the wagon to the train station. Okay, our last one. This one's going to be a little tricky. Ready? Ready? Listen, listen. Bag. Bag. I have a bag in my wagon. Kids, you used 2 words. Let's say it 2 more times. Bag. Bag. Nice job. Okay, so let's practice our G sound 3 more times. Remember, our tongue tip is down. The back of our tongue is up. We have a big mouth. Our tongue tip is down. G, g. Nice job. Okay, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.